Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down.
Grace, Rocky, save stars.
I'm not an astronaut. I put the not in astronaut. I've never done anything. I've never done a space. I can't even moonwalk. I put the not in astronaut. I've never done anything. I've never done a space. I can't even.
Like me betraying you, but it's actually me believing in you.
Sure feels like you're betraying me.
Oh! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't!
You know, we just record these messages and we tell them what we've learned, and then when we're done...
Why not you tell them yourself when you return home? Question.
This is a one-way ticket for me, pal.
What?
We had enough astrophages to get here, but not enough to get back.
So, Grace died? Question?
Listen, I got to meet you. I got to do all this amazing stuff. I'm good. I've made peace with it. Thumbs up?
No.
Rocky watched crew die. Could not fix. Grace say Grace will die. Rocky fix.
Alone at the edge of a universe humming a tune. For merely dreaming we were snow A siren sounds like the goddess who promises endless apologies of paradise. And only she can make it right. So things are different tonight. We'll go together in flight.
Years, the Earth could cool maybe 10 to 15 degrees.
Sing louder than my fear. I need you here for one more song, just one more. You need an encore. I need to go get there in time for the show. Let everybody know there's one more song, just one more. Time to be strong for the journey ahead. Sing through the doubt, sing through the dread, with a scream and a shout. Break through the fear like the sun through the clouds. Like you're still here, no crying aloud. I'll try to get out, I'll try to be strong. Yes, I'm moving on. It's time for one more song.
And a spike, a physical fight, a flash of light, a curtain, a toll, a tie, the passage of time, a hide, a dive, a burden, a pearl, a night, a typical type, a siren in the water, a scroll, a nod, a message from God, a son, a holy father.
There's no way to say this song's about someone else. Every time you're not in my arms, I start to lose myself. Someone please pass me my shades, don't let them see me down. You have taken over my days, so tonight I'm going out. Yet I'm feeling like there is no better place than right by your side. I had a little taste and I only spoiled the party anyway. Cause all the girls are looking fine, but you're the only one on my mind. La-di-dee-la-da-da-doo, la-da-da-me, la-da-da-you. La-di-dee-la-da-da-doo, there's only me, there's only you. La-di-dee-la-da-da-doo, la-da-da-me, la-da-da-you. La-di-dee-la-da-da-doo, when you were gone I think of you.
Reinvent
feel. We've a bunch of paper flowers to decorate to memory's hero. Morning in the aerodrome, the weather warm, the heat is colder. For a man in uniform to carry home my little soldier.
But he did, should have been a rock star.
But he didn't have the money for a guitar.
But he did, should have been a politician.
But he never had a proper education.
He should have been a father.
But he never even made it to his 20s. What a waste, army dreamers. Ooh, what a waste of army dreamers.
Oh my gosh. I want you to sleep, huh? But, you gotta wake up.
I see it's written in the stars. We can go wherever, so let's do it now or never, baby. Nothing's ever, ever too far. Glitter in the sky, glitter in our eyes, shining just the way we are. I feel like we're forever every time we get together, but whatever, let's get lost on Mars. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.
Then the sun begins to rise. We made it through the darkest night. You found me. I always wanted to die clean and pretty, but I'd be too busy on working days. So I am relieved that the turbulence wasn't forecasted. I couldn't have changed anyways. I am relieved that I'd left my room tidy. Goodbye. Days seem sometimes as if they'll never end. Sun takes its heels to taunt you, but after sunlit days, one thing stays the same. Rises the moon. Days fade into a watercolor blur. Memories swim and haunt you, but look into the lake, shimmering like smoke. Rises the moon. Oh, promise you that soon the autumn comes to darken fading sun.
Put in love, put in hours, put in ceremony. As it was, how you were, what was there before me. Never mind, I'll forget about it. I'll be good, I'll be fine, I can laugh about it. I try to keep on starting over.
Made it out alive, but I think I lost it. Said that I was fine, I said it from my coffin. Remember how I died when you started walking? That's my life, that's my life. I'll put up a fight, taking out my earrings. Don't you know the vibe? Don't you know the feeling? It's just spend the night, catch me on your ceiling. That's your price, that's your price. Wow.
Lying on the floor when I break through, I pull you in to feel your heartbeat. Can you hear me screaming, please don't leave me? Hold on, I still want you. Come back, I still need you. Let me take your hand, I'll make it right. I swear to love you all my life. Hold on, I still need you.
Deep breath.
Guy! Hey, guy! Get up! Oh, I can't do it! No! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it!
You know who you are. You're gonna do great.
Time go.
It's time go.
What is Grace doing? Question?
I have a moment.
I can feel it on my tongue. Brick and mortar, thick as scripture, drawing lines in the sand and laying borders as tall as towers. I battle on until voice is gone. This hill I'll die on is about 90 meters of bricks, colored indigo and inscribed with my name and lined with cedar.
I'm not an
The
astronaut.
words fall
I put the not in astronaut.
Symbols crashing like molars gnashing. It's like constellations a million years away. Every good intention, every good intention is interpolation. A line we drew in the array, looking for the faces, looking for the shapes in the silence.
All that's left for me to climb to the heavens is the chasm of the night and the matter of time. But I hear the rumble as the tectonic plates start to shake, and I feel my blood pounding like the beat of a drum. 'Cause like constellations a million years away, every good intention is interpolation, a line we drew in the array, clinging to the faces, clinging to the shapes in the silence.
You're gonna do great.
Please don't let them see me. Sure, there's nothing left to try. I can feel the light shine on my face. Did I disappoint you? Will you still let me over if I cross the line?
That is now known as the betrothal line. That's it.
If I cross the line.
You will be remembered as a hero.
When people hear of his
My name, can't wait to hear this, is Grace.
the chosen one, the loaded gun, the one to bear the weight. Through trial and pain, his path was paved, a prisoner of fate. He's just a man.
I put the knot in astronaut.
Under the weight of the world, nobody knows the burden he holds. There's nowhere to run for the chosen one. These are the days of miracle and wonder. This is the long distance call. The way the camera follows us in slow-mo, the way we look to a song, the way we look to a distant constellation that's dying in a corner of the sky. These are the days of miracle and wonder, and don't cry, baby, don't cry, don't cry. I grew up with a feeling that what's good must be fleeting, that if I'm happy I'm dreaming, and I'm prepared for you leaving. I see that shitty beat up car. Oh baby, there you are. Too old for both of us to keep howling at the moon. Cross-eyed drunk that's young in the afternoon. Two souls in one truck and no money left to lose. Teach me how to not stare at you. Me, you.
stand true to the end. Long hair, be a man, kneel to the servant, call him your king, do what you must and then run, go back to your home. History is no one's friend. No, you'll never be known as only Joan again, as only Joan again.
No! No!
Can I think about it?
I'm freezing outside, I feel my skin tight, my coat is inside, but I look up at you. I tracked your plane ride for when you're
They think I'm dumb.
tonight. Tell me, when is the next time I'll run into you?
And the astronauts die in space.
Yes.
I forgive you, mother. I can hear you. And I want to be near. But every road leads to an end. Yes, every road leads to an end. Your apparition passes through me, and I lose 5 red hands. You'll never see us again. You'll never see us again.
And last night I blacked out in my car, and I woke up in my childhood bed, wishing I was someone else, feeling sorry for myself when I remembered someone's kid is dead. Jesus Christ, I'm so blue all the time, and that's just how I feel. Always have, and I always will.
You're smart. You'll figure it out.
Oh! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it!
I cannot do this.
You're smart. You'll figure it out.
I know I'm not going home. I know why. It's okay. I got to meet you. I got to do all this amazing stuff. I'm good. Can I think about this?
You have 3 hours.
As the Iridians say. I've made peace with you.
I'm not trying to talk you into anything. I am trying to make you understand what I'm about to do next. You're smart. You'll figure it out.
You are very brave.
I'll do my best to make sure that you don't, that you didn't.
Lord, I'm one. Lord, I'm two. Lord, I'm three. Lord, I'm four. Lord, I'm 500 miles from my home. 500 miles.
I'm not an astronaut.
If you don't go, you die. With the rest of us.
Just stop your crying, it's a sign of the times. We gotta get away from here. We gotta get away from here.
I'm not an astronaut.
I'm not heroic in any way.
You are my solution.
I'm not ready. I can't do it.
Is lava. Who can tell me the speed of light?
The world is counting on you.
Say goodbye, remember me. Don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart.
I'm not an astronaut.
I can't do it! No!
I'm not an astronaut.
I can't do it! No!
I'm not an astronaut.
I can't do it! No!
I'm not an astronaut.
I can't do it! No!
This is a one-way ticket for me, pal.
What?
We had enough astrophages to get here, but not enough to get back.
So what happens, Grace? Question.
Oh, I got enough food to last me at least a couple years. Maybe a couple more if I stretch it out.
So Grace die? Question?
Yeah, once we're done, I'm gonna die.
Why didn't you tell me?
It slipped my mind.
No. Grace, hey, Grace, go home.
Listen.
No.
Listen.
No.
Listen. I got to meet you. I got to do all this amazing stuff. I'm good. I've made peace with it.
What mean? What mean make peace?
It means I know I'm not going home. I know why. And it's okay.
Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
think this fool can never win. Well, look at me, I'm coming back again. I got a taste of love in a simple way. And if you need to know while I'm still standing, you just fade away. Don't you know I'm still standing better than I ever did? Looking like a true survivor, I'm feeling like a little kid. And I'm still standing after all this time. I'm picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind.
Let's meet Jeffrey, shoots dope lefty, yelling, you can't catch me. Drove way out to the sea in a jet ski. Oh my Gertrude, I don't wanna hurt you. I just wanna live like a soda commercial. Under on the shore in a brand new church shoe, covered in burn, face all burnt. The world has a sickness, it's hidden in the gimmicks. Beamed through the TVs and the satellite dishes. Teach a man to fish and he'll catch 2 fishes. Start his own business, tax free, it's religious.
Bats in the belfry.
Woo-ha!
None of that. Can't keep my eyes closed.
Woo-ha!
Sunny all the time. Put your hands where I can see your eye. Pull up high. This place has gone crazy.
Hamilton doesn't hesitate. He exhibits no restraint. Takes and he takes and he takes and he keeps winning anyway. Changes the game, plays and he raises the stakes. And if there's a reason he seems to thrive and so few survive, then goddammit, I'm willing to wait for it. I'm willing to wait for it. Life doesn't discriminate between the sinners and the saints. It takes and it takes and it takes, and we get it anyway. We rise and we fall. If there's a reason I'm still alive and so many have died, then I'm willing to.
You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Lord, I'm 1, Lord, I'm 2, Lord, I'm 3, Lord, I'm 4, Lord, I'm 500 miles from my home.
All the water in the world, all the money in the world. Can you take it with you? All the water in the world, all the money in the world. Can you really take it with you? All the water in the world, all the money in the world.
You're not gonna believe this. Nothing happened.
You were fired for calling the leading scholar and they killed a staggering waste of carbon at the UNESCO conference in Denmark.
You heard about that, huh?
Don't mean too much to me. Is this our destiny? This world is after me. And you run away like it was yesterday. And we can run away, run away, run away, run away from here.
Yeah, once we're done, I'm gonna die.
Why didn't you tell me?
It slipped my mind. I know I'm not going home. I know why. I can't do it. We'll find a solution.
You are my solution.
I can can go home, or I can save Rocky. We got stars to save, okay?
They call him the chosen one, the loaded gun, the one to bear the weight. Through trial and pain, his path was paved, a prisoner of fate. He's just a man trying to stand under the weight of the world. Nobody knows the burden he holds. There's nowhere to run for the chosen one.
I can't do it.
Young girl, keep it together. I knew you would come far. Now you're truly a heather. Smell how gangsta you are.
Martha, I'm so sorry.
Young girl, feel a bit punchy. She's not looking so well. Still, you've earned that red scrunchie. Come join Heather in hell.
Didn't I go where you sent me? Didn't I meet your demands? Didn't I answer your questions? Didn't I shake all your hands? Didn't I do the best I can? Wasn't I better than any man? Wasn't I cool and collected when all of the shit hit the fan? Wasn't I cool? Wasn't I?
For this to succeed, there's someone else we need. I know. So he knows what to do in the trench, ingenuitive and fluent in French, I mean. So you're gonna have to use him eventually. What's he gonna do on the bench, I mean? No one has more resilience or matches my practical, tactical brilliance. You want to fight for your land back? I need my right-hand man back. Yeah, get your right-hand man back. You know you gotta get your right-hand man back. I mean, you got...
If I betray you, I betray myself. If I betray him, I betray my country. My country is very dear to me.
Dearer than I?
Music like a veteran, renegade, lemonade, use it in my medicine. Go ahead and try to name a band, we ain't better than. Reason why the whole world's picking us instead of them. People need a breather cause they feeling that adrenaline. Stop! Now hurry up and let us in now. Hi, great. Cause we come into your house and people keep on smiling like a lemon to their mouth. I'm the real deal, you know how I feel. Why they in it for the meal, we just in it for a thrill. Get down now. I ain't play around, put your feet up on the ground and just make that sound like.